Growing up, many of us dream about meeting the one, falling in love, and living happily ever after. The truth is, when it comes to finding long-lasting happiness, we quickly learn that in order to make a relationship work, you really have to put in the work. It'd be amazing if your love life played out like a movie. Unfortunately, the real world isn't nearly as pretty. Once the honeymoon passes, you're bound to face a lot of trials in your relationship, and how you deal with those problems will determine how things turn out. Today, we're going to tell you 5 things that you can start doing that'll make sure that your relationship never goes off the rails. Number 1. Make time for each other. Spending quality time with your partner seems like the easiest thing to do, but you'd be shocked to learn how many couples fail to do this. Sure, our lives can get extremely busy at times, but it's important to always make time for your partner. If you're not mindful about how you spend your time, it's easy for long periods to go by in which you have spent little to no time with your significant other. A lot of couples who are in long-term relationships make the mistake of taking their partner for granted, thinking that they'll always be there, no matter what. It's this sort of thinking that can start to drive a wedge between you and that special person in your life, and if you're not careful, things can come to an end very quickly. Number 2. Communicate openly and effectively. When you're in a relationship with someone, being able to express your thoughts and feelings is vital. There isn't a single issue that's too small for you to bring up to your partner if it bothers you. It's often the collection of small, ignored issues that bring about the end of an otherwise loving relationship. Number 3. Manage your finances appropriately. While we often don't like to admit it, money can have a major impact on the longevity of your relationship. As a matter of fact, one of the leading reasons for divorce is due to financial issues or complications. If you want to build a life with someone, a life that can be sustained over a long period of time, make sure to stay within your means, so that you don't have to introduce unnecessary financial pressures. Number 4. Let go of the past. No matter how strong the connection is between you and your partner, you're likely to fall out with each other from time to time. During a heated argument, it can be tempting to bring up the past and open up old wounds. While this might feel good in the moment, if you want to build a future, you must be able to leave the past where it is. And finally, number 5, appreciate your partner. The longer a relationship goes on, the more likely you are to start taking your partner for granted. Every now and again, you and your partner should take some time out, so that you can appreciate each other and remember why you fell in love. The foundation of your love is going to be one of the biggest factors that'll determine the strength of your relationship. If you're lucky enough to find love, it's worth putting in the effort to make sure that your relationship can go the distance. For more videos like this, where we talk about the things that'll strengthen your relationship, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for weekly content from trusted psychics.